Hello everyone, myself Omar Mulani, working as assistant professor in Shared Institute of Technology, College of Engineering, Yadra, Ichalkaranji. As I am handling a blockchain subject for the final year students in Computer Science and Engineering department. As we are discussing about the consensus mechanism, the consensus algorithm which are used in the blockchain technology. As earlier we have seen the consensus algorithm access where the proposals are getting proposals from the participant. We are getting on that basis they are going to choose which proposals is having a majority, that proposal will win, and all the participant or all the nodes are follow the decision. So in concern with the Paxos algorithm, Paxos consensus algorithm, they are having Paxos algorithm. We are going to be discussed about the wrapped consensus algorithm. So what is the wrapped? Is consensus algorithm designed as alternative to Paxos family of the algorithm. This is one of the alternative which is used to the Paxos consensus algorithm. It, it was meant to more understandable than Paxos by means of separation of logic, but it is also formally proven safe and offers some additional features. As there's one kind of consensus algorithm which will different from the Paxos. It means they will going to be represent with a different mechanism or different logic than what we have in a Paxos algorithm, and which will be more safe and which will be having a certain kinds of additional feature within the wrapped consensus algorithm. So wrapped offers a generic way to distribute a state machine across a cluster of computing system, ensuring that each node in the cluster agree upon same series of state transition. So what happen in the wrapped is that it will distribute certain value within the state machine where all the clusters of the computing system, that means all the nodes within the system, they will ensure that they will agree upon a certain values, and that will be propagated or that will be transferred or that transaction will be the same to each and every node within the system, so that every node will get a same value as their transaction. So Rapt achieves consensus via elected leaders. So how the Rapt is going to be differ from the Paxos family is they are going to be electing a leader, as in the Paxos they have the proposals from the participant. Those who give the proposal, there might be having a number of proposals are coming, and from that the nodes has to be give the majority of the proposals, wherein the wrapped before making any proposals or any final value they have to elect a leader. A server in the wrapped cluster is either a leader or a follower. So what difference do you find here is that the the wrapped consensus algorithm, where you may have either you may have a leader or follower and can be candidate in the previous case of the election if leader is unavailable. So that this raptor algorithm is designed to make one leader, and that leader will be elected by the election. The leader is responsible for log replication to the followers. and once the leader is elected, he will be having a responsibility of making the log entries or the log replication to the followers. So this is what the wrapped consensus algorithm is. That it is one of the alternative to the Paxos, as Paxos algorithm is theoretically correct, but the proof or the practically, if we want to implement, that will be difficult to go with the Paxos consensus algorithm. So to alternate to the Paxos, we have the wrapped consensus algorithm, where you may able to elect a leader, and that will be coordinating with the all the nodes. So a generic way to distribute a state machine among a state of server, you ensure that every server agrees upon same series of state transaction, whereas all the nodes or all the servers which are agree upon the same value that will be transferred, or that will be having a transaction within the states. So what basic idea of the wrapped till now we have discussed is that the node is collectively elect, or we can say the select the leaders, other becomes a followers. That means within the network, or within the blockchain technology network, the leader will be selected and remaining nodes will be act as a followers. The leader is responsible for state transaction log replication across the follower, and where the leader is the responsible to make the log replication within the state transaction of the followers. So here we'll see how the leaders will be elected. That is re-electing a leader, committing multiple value to the transaction log, where it will be a leader will be one who is committing the multiple values of the transaction within the log, dealing with the replicas of the following. So how the election process will be done? It will start as initially will be the followers. After certain time interval, they will wait for a certain moment. If the no leader will be there, then the election process will be start. Then it will having the start elections, and after the timeout, the new election, the candidate will declare its candidature for the leadership. And once the candidate is received the majority of the servers, he become a leader, and we will be having a discover the current leader or new terms, that is discovering with the higher terms in the sense of the next round, which will be considered to be the uh, to be the consider to be the new terms for the electing of the leaders. So who the candidate who is get the majority of the voting from the servers, that will be the leader, and remaining will be act as a follower. So we will discuss more detail about the wrapped consensus algorithm. So first thing is that electing the leaders. So that will be having a voting request. That means uh, the candidate who want to be the leader, he has to send a request. That is that a request, that means the candidature of that leadership. So leader candidate will request for vote, and it will consist the terms and the index. So request vote will consist the term, that means last calculated known to the candidate plus 1. So last calculated known to the candidates, the terms means that is last round, which will having, suppose we'll consider it is 10 round, that is round 10 was over, and the next round, that is we'll consider that is plus 1. So the term here will be the 11, and next is what it consists the index. So index is committed transaction available to the candidate. So at a certain transaction value which will be currently available within the or the committed within the transaction. So we'll consider here will be the 100. So 10 will be the terms, that means the round will be a 10 and the index will be 100, and that will be sent to the every node within the system. So the node which will be getting the request from the candidate, they will identify the request by considering the terms and the index. So how that nodes are deciding who is the deciding who will be the leaders. So electing the leader, follower nodes decision making. So how that nodes are going to be make the decision for their leaders. So once the request come to the node, so each node compare received terms index with corresponding current known value. That means whenever the request come to the voting request come to the nodes, they will compare with the corresponding current known value with the nodes. So the term is less than node I terms. So here the term which will having initially which will be the of 10 and the node terms will be the 100. So the term which is less than the node terms then will be the declining the request. If it is not, then they will go for the index value. So index is less than node I index. If it is, that is why, then it will decline the value. If it is not, then they will vote for the particular candidate. Then they will give the vote to that candidate. Then before giving the vote, they need to check with the terms and they need to check with the index. So node will be find outing whether uh, whether the request for voting is coming from the new requester or not. So for that purpose they will go for the terms and they will go for the index. If the terms is greater than the current the previous, that is corresponding current known value, then it will be go for the find outing whether the index is greater than the current value. If it is there, then they will go for the vote. Next, the electing the leader, the majority vote. So once all the nodes are compared with the terms value and the index value, they will vote for the they will oh, they vote for the leaders, and the majority of the leader or majority of the voting will be win the will elect as a leader, and that will be accepted by all the nodes, and other will be act as a followers. So use the majority voting leader selection, commit the log entry. Now that leader will able to do the responsible for the committing the log entry. So here we'll see the examples of the what how the process will be run. Suppose now we have seen about how the electing process has been done. Now suppose there are a multiple leader candidate and current leader will be failed. So here is an example that the boy as a leader with the 3 followers. We have the leader with the 3 followers, that is currently the term is 10 and committed index is 100. So now this is the leader and all will be act as the follower. So what will happen? The current leader will get fail. So that time what will happen? The electing process has been done. So the leader node failed. The leader node failed. That means this is get failed. Then this remaining 3 will have the electing the new leader, and the new leader is elected as with the terms 11 and transaction is index value is 100. So new leader elected with the terms 11, that is round 11, and old leader. And meanwhile, what will happen is that old leader is recovered from the failure. So before his recovery, the electing process has been done, and the new leader is finalized, and the new terms is the new round is the value it is the new term which is 11, and that will be sent to old the old leader also, and that heartbeat message will the new leader with a greater terms. Old leader drops as a follow state. So that new term is also sent to the old leader, and he will be act as a follower now. So this is what if they're having a multiple leader candidate field, as one is getting failed, the remaining nodes will elect the new leader. So suppose there will having multiple candidates at the same time. That means simultaneous request for the voting is getting within the system. So what will happen here? Uh, they're requesting the two nodes send request vote message with the term 11 at the same time. That means the leader candidate and this another leader candidate, they are sending the next round for the leadership, and the term that is next round is 21, and the index value it is 200, and all the node receives the candidate electing or the leader election process. They're getting from the two nodes. So the followers within the nodes, they will give their voting, and the majority of the voting which will get which node will get, that will be considered as a leader candidate. So one of them get the major voting, so that candidate will be the leader, and it will send the message to all the followers, and who is not getting the majority of the voting, that candidate also get a transition request, that is winner is get heartbeat message, that is majority voting declined. So obviously that riddle next another leader will get declined, and which will act as a follower now. So other leader candidate switch to the follower state, and which will also have the term 21 and index value as 2000. So this is where if at the same time the simultaneous request which is coming within the network by the two candidate for the leadership, so majority of the leader or the majority of the voting will own the will win the election, and that will be act as a leader, and who is not getting the majority of the voting, he will switch from leader to the follower state. Now, once the leader has been finalized, the next thing is that the committing the entry log. Suppose here we have the leader, it is for the round 10, and the index value is 100. Now we have to commit it the leader add entry log with the term 10, and the index value is 121 101. So this entry log he has to make within the followers. So he will request for the he will send the message to the transition, that is leader send append entry message to the followers with the index 101. So leader will send the log entry to all the followers within the network. Now the followers they will give the voting, that means the majority voting decide to accept or reject the entry log. Now there will be the voting for the accepting of the transaction or declining of the transaction. So depending on that, they will going to be make the entry within the state machine or the within the transition. If the log entry is successful, that means successfully accepted the log entry, all leader and the follower update the committed index to 101. So once the election means once they accept, all the followers accept the transaction, then they will make the entry within the log with the index value 101. So all the followers accept that request, and that will make the entry within the transition log. Now what will happen if we say that is handling a failure? So both Paxos, if you see about the Paxos and the Wrapped, uh, the failure of they will not going to be affect if the failure is up to n divided by 2 minus 1. Node does not affect the system due to majority of voting, as in the Paxos also and as in the Wrapped also. The majority of the majority of the followers or majority of the nodes are still uh, with the leaders or with the elected process, so it will not going to be affect the system. So the failure up to n minus 2 will be accepted in the wrapped and the process. So here you should understood that the implementing of the proof of the Paxos are very difficult to handle it or represent it as compared with the wrapped. As in the Paxos, they're having the leaders in the Paxos, the proposals are coming for the number of candidates, and from that proposal, the majority of the proposal who is getting the majority voting, that will be majority of the voting, that proposal will be accepted, and that will be sent, and that message will be sent to the all the nodes. So this is what we can say, that will be more complicated. They're having a number of proposals. So instead of that, in the wrapped, before putting the proposal, we they need to select an leader. So the leader only responsible to send the messages to the nodes. That means here only one uh, round will be considered to electing a leader, whereas in the Paxos, they are having the multiple Paxos has to be done to find out which proposal is has the majority of the value. So this is what the difference we can find within the Paxos and the Wrapped, where both were having their logic or their consensus algorithm, and the majority of the leader or majority of the voting will be elected as leader, and that will be responsible for making the log within the transition. Thank you.